Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to change theme color in Shopware 6. Log into the backend. Go to Content and Themes. Select your theme. Now choose your favorite theme color. Click Save. Refresh the page to see the changes. To change by button color, choose the color. Click Save. Refresh the page to see the changes. Now change the status messages color. Change the theme background's color. Click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.